couldn't renew my fleet insurance. It's gone from 3 grand to 6 grand. From something that's not even our fault, because it's on file, and apparently this little scroach made an injury claim of 14 grand or something, even though he had the minimum insurance of third party, that's it. And apparently good morning YouTube, start another week here at Airedale. Absolute horrible day, let me tell you, absolute washout. I actually told the lads not to bother on that site there on today, because it'd be dangerous downhill. I don't know how well you can see, but it's literally, it just hasn't let up all night, all this morning. Justin's been here, Matt's been here actually. They've just both gone. I've sent Justin to, sorry, I'm just keeping out of it, as you can probably tell. I've sent Justin to go see a couple of site service schools that I had to go this morning, but I've had word that I've got a wagon load of post mix on its way, so I'm probably better in fortune than Justin, so I said you go see jobs and I'll get these unloaded, which will be nice in this weather. But as usual, only time that you want to get a wagon in, there's next door's wagons are all parked where I want him to park to unload, but hopefully they might move soon, but we'll see.
Happy Monday in this lovely weather. Lads are off today. There's no point in coming in. Job they're doing is going down a hill, so we've just got post mix coming in. We've got 19 pallets so far, so getting them all stacked in. As you can see, everything's been moved around in the yard, get it nice and clear. We're going to be moving this cabin probably tomorrow. We're going to be putting it down there, over in that corner, and then all this here, all this stuff here is coming out, and all this is going to be where the post mix lives. We're going to have another lean-to coming off. All IVCs are going to be coming out. And we've just got Marc up forklift now. We haven't got too many more to move. He loves hot dry work, Marc does, that's for sure. You either see him on a digger, in office, or in forklift. We never see him much other places. I know. You get it though, you get it. Oh, ground moving. This was rock hard concrete at one point, and what we did is, it was snowing one winter. We're like, oh, we'll put loads of rock salt down, put all rock salt down, it crumbled away out concrete. It's disintegrated it, so now all ground's soft. Well, that's better at that side of the yard, all that's been filled in.
Good morning. Oof, better morning today anyway. Yesterday absolutely teamed it down all day. It was a nightmare. The lads are just back over at Tiffin Sandwiches. They should be finished there tomorrow if they get it posted today. Strangely enough, I'm down at another sandwich place in Leeds here. It's given us the job, but basically it's been that long, it's been going on about a year. I think they're having PALISADE. They wanted 2.4 but they got refused it, so now it's 2 metres I believe. Problem we're going to have here, they want some massive gates along here, and all these cars park here. It's going to be an absolute nightmare when we come to do it, and all these cars here. It'll be fun and games. I'll have to see if we can get all these sorted out, but yeah, just had a meeting at this site here, and as suspected, now they're going to have 8 metre double gates, which are heavy enough. Now they're saying, oh no, that won't be enough, we get Arctics coming in, blah blah blah, we need at least 10 metres, so I think they're going to go for some sliding gates, just manual. Hoping they'll bolt down. It's pretty solid as this, so the problem is here, everyone just parks anyway. It's an absolute nightmare. So yeah, but the good thing is, being a sandwich place, and the lads are working at a massive sandwich place in Bradford that make for all supermarkets. These do similar here. What? He said, do you want some sandwiches? And he's just given me these for free, which are pretty cool. I mean, I could have picked any really, but they were the first two I saw, and I actually forgot my wrap that my wife made me this morning, so it come in handy that. Couldn't have timed it better really.
We're just at Tiffin Sandwiches with Jamie's here. Baggy's down at bottom paling. So where Baggy's starting now, that is the first one. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. No, it's 5 at the bottom, and then it's 12 up the top. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah, so 5 at the bottom, 12 going up. So here we are. I'm just going to leave lads now. They're just going to peel all the rest of this up, get back and do the rest of that stuff. Just going to have a little walk down. It's looking nice. It's nice up here. Nice little house over in that corner. But yeah, they're going to have massive new units on here, and I believe they're going to be putting a timber fence somewhere on here as well, as you can see. I'm just going to go see how many freebie sandwiches we can get from Tiffin Sandwiches there.
Yeah, so I just got back to the yard, just chatting with Carl there, what's been going on here, but Justin's at fork truck stuck, look, buried it, made a big hole. I'm probably better at fork truck than Justin, so I said you go seek jobs, and only him could do that. What he does is he turns wheels on fork truck like 180 degrees. Oh, he's here now. Yard wrecker's here. How have you done that? Because you're turning wheels too much, that's what it is. Well, it is. Wouldn't happen to me, would it? Or Carl. Drivers and screwdrivers, that's what I keep saying. And then Carl's actually finished this, I'll turn it round. That looks a lot better now. He's done that across there. It's all ready to rock and roll. Just need the electric in, that's what I'm trying to think of. But yeah, we're just going to put a bit of post mix in, I think, just for now, and I'll just go around it. All we can do, innit?
What we'll do is...
Right, so we're here, we're just in Armley at the minute. We're just sorting it out, just coming up with a plan. About 8 metres in total. It's going to be a single-sided paling facing the inside, and they're going to have about a 10mm gap. But yeah, we're getting cracking already. We'll get it on the roll. I'm going to take some of this stuff to the forge and leave lads to it. These are clients we like when they come out with fresh orange juice, nice coffee, biscuits. Ooh, might stay here all day with Baggy and have some biscuits and tea. So lads just got back from getting gates. Lads are pretty much done already. I'll be done for what, 12 o'clock, Baggy, for the pub? Yep. Always, isn't it?
Lads are just doing a little domestic job. Justin's took him over there. He's gone to pick a mesh gate up at powder quarters, and he's dropping a couple of PALISADE posts and pails in at powder quarters to get coated black for a repair job we've got next week. Carl's gone out with Matt. They're just doing a little finish off down at Grove House for the automated gates, just altering the angle of the brackets. I mean, it's end of month, well, it's February 1st now, and the amount of money we're owed for a small business is, it's ridiculous. It's like, you know, why not just pay? You know, I've got one customer we've done a couple of jobs for. I think that's touching 30k the hours, you know, it's a lot of money. You know, when I've had to lay it all out, all materials, wages, yard, vans, you name it, you know how it goes. And then various other bits, you know, probably another 30k or whatever. You know, it's a lot of money for a small business. Just pay your bills, guys. You know, you want us there. We expect to be paid within a reasonable amount of time. I'm going to have to crack some heads and get a bit tough with them.
I have come here to chew bubblegum and kick ass. And I'm all out of bubblegum.
Chase some money, because I'm not paying. Some of them have already sent me a remittance that I will be getting the money this week. That's fine. I think there's about 15-20 grand of that, so you know it all helps. But it's the one that owes me nearly 30k that's seem to be struggling with. And then another gripe I've got, like we've got fleet insurance, 4 or 5 vehicles or whatever it is. Justin, about a year ago, some little scroat tried to undercut him. He was parked at a junction, turning right. Some little scroat tried to undercut him down left hand side, and then pretended that he'd gone into him. I think he were out looking for, trying to make a claim. Sprawled on the floor and jumped up straight away, trying to make an injury claim. What are you on about? All parked at a junction. Anyway, we had witnesses, everything, police, all on our side saying, don't worry about it, it's his fault, blah blah blah. Left it, he had an interview with insurers, everything. Yep, it's fine, don't worry about it, it's all sorted out. You know, it's his fault, not yours, blah blah blah. Never heard a thing, nearly a year ago. Couldn't renew my fleet insurance. It's gone from 3 grand to 6 grand. From something that's not even our fault, because it's on file, and apparently this little scroat has tried to make an injury claim of 14 grand or something, even though he had the minimum insurance of third party, that's it. And apparently he's took an hire vehicle out, I don't even know how that works. And that's racked up to 40 grand or something. So basically we're waiting our insurers to go to court, and everybody said, don't worry about it, you're going to win. You've got backing of insurers, police, witnesses, everything. He's got nothing, he's just coming it. But yeah, in the meantime, I've got to pay double for my insurance. How is that right? I just don't get it. What an absolute con insurance is. It's the biggest scam going, isn't it? It really is the biggest scam going, insurance. Make everybody get insurance, but yet just... And you wonder why people don't get insured. It probably cost me less if I want insured and we got pulled and got a fine. Work that one out. Anyway, that's my rant over for the day. I'm off to do some work.
Stay at Grove House. Got Matt and Carl here. They've just done a few extra bits to this gate to get it shut in and bang on. Looks pretty good to me. Massive, so obviously they just hit sensor pad there, comes open. Gotta get closer than that.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. Friday feeling already, yeah? Sorry if I'm a bit dark, another car shot of me. It's been a busy week this week. It's like, you can tell it's coming up to half term and stuff like that, and budgets with school. As usual, all leaving it till a week before the break up. We break up on 12th or whatever it is, can you get it in? It's like, no, you know, February half term we're booked up in October, you know, it's like, I don't know what, they just think you hang about. But anyway, yeah, so it's been a very busy sort of end of Jan, beginning of February. But the lads have cracked on. They finished Tiffin Sandwiches, that sort of awkward PALISADE job on bad terrain and mud. But yeah, it looked really good when they'd done actually. So well done, lads. Yeah, it wasn't easy. There's a little moan and groan here and there, but they got it done. It were, you know, it wasn't easy, to be fair. At least it wasn't bad digging. It could have been worse, but yeah. So they've got that done, and I know today they've done just a little double gate at a school over in Leeds. Took an old damaged timber one down, replaced it with a mesh one. I can't even think what else. Oh yeah, yesterday they did a little domestic job actually. Again, not a million miles from where they've been today, strangely enough. We're on something now, I think it was 8 or 10 metres of paling. Something now. And what else have we done? I can't remember when they finished that. But oh yeah, in fact that was it, because they had a day off because of weather. I think it was Monday. It was like torrential. In fact, I told them there's no point because they wouldn't have got out done, and down the where they were going were down that big hill. So yeah, so next week busy again. We've got a couple of schools to do that can be done in term time. The tennis courts, one of them, I know that. Taking some chain link down, putting some 3 metre high mesh up. I've just got a load of jobs in this week. I think I got 4 or 5 jobs in. Not massive, but you know, decent, not bad. You know, mid-range sort of job, shall we say. So yeah, anyway, I'm stop waffling again. I'll call it a day. That's another week at Airedale. So if you like what we do, give us a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and if you haven't already, get yourself subscribed, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.